Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Boss Fashions TV. Thanks for joining us today. Today, our tutorial is on how to cut basic sleeve. How to cut basic sleeve. The first thing to do is a length measurement. The length of this sleeve is 9.5. 9.5. And this 9.5, we're going to join it here with the half inch. That will give us 10. And the folding allowance at the cuff is 2 inches. That will give us 12 inches. Whenever you are going to join your fabric, always have your joining allowance. Now the next thing is you armhole circumference. The armhole circumference is 16. 16 divided by 2, that will give us 8. But we are going to minus 1 from that 8. That will give us 7.5. 7.5. And our joining allowance, our joining allowance, I'm making use of 1 inch. These are joining allowance. Then the deepness here, or the depth here, is 2.5. You might decide to use 2 because this will chance the person to raise her hand up very well without any hindrance. So from here now, from this point, you are going to make a line to the top here, as you can see. Then you divide it by 2, or you find the midpoint. Here is the midpoint. Then you go up by half, you go down by half. Now you connect like this. This is basic sleeve. Remember, we have different type of sleeve, but this is basic sleeve. This is it. Here, this is where our cuff is. The cuff is 11.5. 11.5 divided by 2, that will give us 5.5 quarter plus 1 inch joining allowance. So you can do it this way. So these are joining allowance. This is what we are going to cut out. But here I'm going to fold it in order to get this place. I'm going to fold it this way. This is where our 2 inches is. So then I'm going to cut it out. That is it. Then here, the first one we are going to cut out is this upper part. Then the second one will be this one. It is as simple as this. So this one will always be the front part, while this longer one will be at the back. Whenever you want to attach it to your body, this one will be the front side, while this one will be the back side. Let's check the measurement here. We have 8 here, and here as well we have 8, making 16.5. So whenever you want to draw basic sleeve, divide your armhole by 2, minus half from it, then that you will get the armhole correctly. So this is what we have. Here is our basic sleeve. Thanks for watching. In the next tutorial, I'm going to use this basic sleeve for us to see the effect. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.